Bantu baseningizimu Afrika nangumbuzo engifuna ukuphendula. Uthi umseleku ngabe uthwele yini? Nangumseleku sibona ethengela amakhosikazi izimoto ezu4 ebathengela oMercedes. Kwenzakalani umseleku? Ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi indaba eyempumeleleni idlula ekusebenzeni kanzima, idlula ekwenzeni yonke into. Kodwa imfihlo yokwenza imali ukuthi ungayidli uyisave, udetermine indlela ofuna ukuphila ngayo. Imali enkulu yenziwa imali encane. Noma ngabe ukuhlola malini kodwa mawukwazi ukugcina imali uyisave, ungakhohlwa ukuthi uzwenza imali enkulu. Kodwa nayo into engifuna ukuyisho enkulu kunayo yonke. Angibasoli laba abacabanga kanjalo. Ukucolonizwa, ukucindezelwa, ubandlululo lisanomthelela osazothatha iminyaka empilweni zabantu abamnyama. Ngiyabazwela ngoba manje umuntu omnyama wazi ukuthi umuntu omnyama kufuzile abe nemali, umuntu ofanele abe nemali umlungu kuphela. Ingcindezi uyabona umuntu methi umseleku uthwele uvela ubona ukuthi inkosi yami ubandlululo usaphila kulona, umoya wokucindezelwa, umoya okuhlupheka kanzima ongakwazi ukuthi ungaphuma kanjani, ungazikhipha kanjani kuleso simo. Manje angimsoli lo muntu osho njalo, ngiyamzwela ngithi ngiyafisa ukuthi is either yena or mangeyena igeneration yakhe nakuyona igeneration uzwakale lo Musa. Lisho njalo iculo lithi nakuthina uzwakele uMusa wakhe. So kusho ukuthi ubandlululo inkulu idamage eliyenzile kuthina sabantu abamnyama. Asikwazi ukubona ukuthi umuntu angakwazi ukusebenza naye asebenze kanzima aphumelele. Into esicabanga ngenxa yobandlululo, angikusoli wena osho njalo ukuthi umseleku uthwele, ngisoli system ye-oppression osaphila ngaphansi kwa. Ngiyafisa education ikulekelele, nathi sikulekelele ekutheni uphume kwengcindezi yobandlululo. Ngesikhathi usho njalo ngiyabona ukuthi bandlu usacindezelekile kakhulu.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video so reality TV star and polygamist Musa Mseleku finally talks about rumors of him ukuthwala for wealth, all because he can afford to support all his 4 wives and his a lot of children. You guys, now Musa Mseleku has been accused by the public of Ukuthwala, as he once bought cars, not just any cars but luxurious time at the same time, to his 4 wives at the same time, you guys, and people were shocked and they accused him of Ukuthwala, you guys. All this because he managed to, surprise his wives with this cars, you guys. Now Musa Mseleku finally responds to trolls and said, in order to be successful, a person needs to work extra hard. He says that the secret to making money is to not spend all your money but to save it and determine the way you want to live. Musa Mseleku said in this video, money comes from discipline and saving. That was the message he shared. He also said that people who were oppressed into thinking a certain way, especially within the Black community, they are programmed into thinking a certain way. And he says that he pitied those people who are programmed into believing that Black people are not supposed to have a lot of money and that money is only meant for white people. You guys, those who are saying Utwele, those people are oppressed. Musa Mseleku says, now the message in this video is that hard works definitely pays off and not Ukuthwala. This is basically Musa Mseleku educating people about the importance of saving money, the importance of hard work. And he says that stop accusing me of Ukuthwalaring. I have what I have because I have worked hard, and people need to work hard too. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I'll see you in the next video, and may God bless you all. Bye.